So the European Medicines Agency, in response to the COVID-19 public health crisis, has significantly intensified its activities, and we have put in place a number of measures that work in concert to effectively deal with the public health crisis. So a number of these are providing accelerated scientific advice to developers to ensure we are getting the best possible applications for medicines with the right evidence, adapting regulatory procedures. In particular, we introduced the use of rolling reviews, which is very novel for the European Union. And we had extensive use of distant remote inspections. We introduced flexibility for the evaluation of the quality of vaccines by allowing certain information to be completed post-approval based on prior product and process knowledge of the company. We were authorizing the use of new manufacturing site in a matter of days instead of months to increase manufacturing capacity as rapidly as possible. We introduced measures of increased communication, increased transparency. We also involved other regulators in the work of our scientific committees, which is something we have never done before. And this was to facilitate exchange of information, but also global authorization of these medicines. So these measures was overall very effective, I would say, but extremely resource intensive and certainly fully justified in view of the criticality of the COVID-19 public health crisis. How much will stick beyond the context of the crisis of this magnitude is something we still need to reflect on, with our regulatory partners in Europe, but also globally and our stakeholders. So I would say that it's already clear that in a crisis, and in particular, we're seeing a unique opportunity to introduce a number of innovations in the regulation of medicines. And I think there's an opportunity in the context of the current review of the pharma strategy in the European Union to do that reflection.